What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're going to talk about the top rack for the new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure model. Now this bike is a new one for this year, and we've been working hard to bring some awesome products to the table. A go-to for a long time for a lot of bikes, if you're looking to carry luggage, is the Tusk Top Rack. Now we've brought this to the market for both the R 1300 GS as well as the GS Adventure. But what's great about the top rack for the GS Adventure is that this will be compatible with the OEM Vario luggage mount system. Now this is going to work for you whether you want to keep the Vario wind mitigation system or if you want to lock it out with the Tusk Immobilizer spacers. Now I was going to talk to you just a little bit about that Vario system. If you've ever followed a semi truck in your car on the freeway, you're going to feel that buffeting feel, and it's going to pull your car around. The big idea with the Vario wind mitigation system is this is going to allow your luggage to move just a little bit while you're on the highway, and that's going to keep your bike just a little bit more stable. Now off-road, that's a little bit of a negative. You're going to hear it clunking around back there and your luggage is moving around, and that's where these immobilizer spacers come in. Now when it comes to this Tusk Top Rack, this is made out of 1/4 inch thick aluminum, and it's powder coated black for a nice durable finish. This powder coating is going to hold up to the abuse that you're going to need to put this thing under while you're looking to hold all of your accessories to the back of your bike. Now we do have a product spotlight on these top racks that you can check out for more information on these top racks. But if you do have any questions when it comes to this and the GSA from BMW, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. Now to get yours, go to our website or hit the link below. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.